Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to your Monday motivation message. I hope that this message brings you just the boost that you need to get your week started off on the right foot. And today we are talking about going the extra mile, and as you know and as the title of this video suggests, there is no traffic jam at the extra mile. Ultimately, if you want something, if you are striving to achieve something, you know, and everybody else who's trying to achieve the same thing knows that you have to go hard. A lot of us try to console ourselves when we don't achieve our goals and our aspirations by saying, oh, well, you know, I didn't try hard enough, or, you know, I didn't put in too much effort. And I do wonder, are we actually happy with that being the norm? Or is that just consolation prize? Why are we not going the extra mile? Why are we not striving to work harder than everybody else and out-achieve and outdo everyone else? The reason why the saying goes like that is because generally a lot of us will give up right before our blessing is about to come to us, or we don't do enough of what it takes to reach whatever said goal is. And this message is to encourage you, and it's not to make you feel bad for, you know, perhaps maybe not putting in the amount of effort that is required, but make you realise that if you were only to push yourself almost to your limit, you would realise the power of making that step would take. There is no traffic jam at the extra mile because not everybody wants to put in the extra effort. Why not be the person that goes against the grain? Why not be the one who does take that step further to outdo your competition, to outwork everybody else, to outperform, to outproduce? Like, don't rely on, you know, the false safety of thinking, oh, well, I didn't try hard enough, so if I didn't achieve it, then that's fine. It's not okay, because ultimately that's a loss on your part. So there is no traffic jam at the extra mile, which is absolutely why it makes it so much easier for people who are willing to put in that extra work to achieve and to succeed. So if you have something that you're striving towards in 2018, go the extra mile. It is very uncrowded over there, and the people who are working the hardest generally are few and far between. So hope that gives you a boost to start your week. Please come back for tomorrow's motivational message at 7 AM. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also come and follow me on my socials. I will have linked them all in the description box below. Bye.